Hello, hello, hello. I'm sorry, I'm not Ballistic Squid. Hello, everybody. My name is Purple Pythons, and also welcome back to the Survival Island Challenge, the Island Survival Challenge. I said it the wrong way around. Anyway, so yeah, I'm back, and I just joined back, and yeah, the stone is coming in. Okay, so let's try and get these slabs going. Okay, 12. Okay, whatever. That's right. I was making a water fountain. I'm pretty sure. Should I do it? I'm not sure. I should either make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long. No, sorry, 7 long. That's too big. That's too big. Yeah, I'll just do it like every other person would. Okay. Anyways, one there, one there, one there. 5, 1. Yes, and just need another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, whatever. And also I need to make a bucket. Okay. This is going to be the beautifulest water fountain ever. So I need 3 pieces of iron. What the hell? Okay. Let's go. Turn. Oh yeah, I need to make a bucket. What the hell did I just do? Well, that was weird. Oh. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Well, that seems beautiful. Okay, whatever. Wait. Whatever. That's fair enough. Fair enough. Let's go. I'm gonna go in here. Go down here. Put my bucket away. Don't need it. Let me put it away. Okay, there we go. And get my stuff. Wait, what? There we go. Get rid of that. Sorry. And we'll put it away. And now that I've got my, thingy bobbin. Okay. This is a very beautiful water fountain. If I had to sleep in this, I would sleep in this all I wanted. I would sleep for decades in this. I would hibernate in this. I'll do whatever I want in this. It's mine. Okay. I wanted to make it more fancy looking, but it's getting late, so when the skeleton comes, I'll kill the skeleton or two. Maybe get a couple bones, and then I'll get some bone meal and get some random decorative looking flower things. Because why not? Okay. Now I've just got to wait for the skeletons. Where are the sector? Sector? Why are we talking about Mortal Kombat? Ah! Oh, run! Run! Freaking hell! Die, skeletons. I know it's hard. It's hard. It's very hard. When you can't freaking get out of the water. Yeah, there we go. Ah! That was freaking creepy. Oh, you're still alive somehow. Wow. Well then. Whew! Okay, good night. Oh. Stupid spider. And you're probably gonna kill me, aren't you? Okay, just die already. Just die, just die, just die. Come on. Be fair. Good boy. Okay. Let's go bed. Let's go bed. Let's go bed. Yeah. Sweet dreams. Now let's go to the Aether, if we can. Aether. That's not spelled correctly. Okay. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. I remember. Through there. Okay. Wow. Shut up, zombies. Oh my god. You need healing. Are you Genji? Lachlan, I found your brother. Oh goodness me, stop killing me. Wait, your third brother. Is it Hanzo? Lachlan, we found Hanzo. That was like a really great 360. Look at this. Oh my god, them skills. Okay, whatever. Ah! Woo! And lots of good fresh stuff. Woohoo! Chicken! Chicken! Youngling! Throw me an egg! Cough. Okay. Oh. That's how physics works now. And I'm leaving. There is string freaking everywhere. Let's go get some wood. How much wood do I have? Oh, that's plenty. That's plenty, isn't it, buddy? Dude? Okay, whatever. Whoa. Okay, free. I need lots and lots of wool. Wool. Oh my god, my freaking server again. Okay, I'm back. Oh, nice booty. Okay. Whatever. I already need it. That was pretty simple. It was pretty simple for a hard sentence for me to speak. I can't speak properly, if you didn't know. Ding, 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 ding. Minecraft. Okay. You're looking fancy. Fancy. This is gonna be my boat dock. Where my boats go. Where my boats are. Why can I hear like an Enderman screaming? See, I don't know what I've been doing lately. Things happen very unnecessarily. This is for everyone. Everyone listening must pay attention immediately. I did a cucumber. Okay. Okay, oh, there it is. Sorry, I just got interrupted. Yeah, the stuff, chicken, the stuff. Wanna come to, what, no? What did you say? What did you say? Okay, I'm just getting, oh god. No. Just wanna get all this stuff. Want a pink bed? No, I want a freaking blue bed. Or purple. Or green. I don't know what color selection there are, but I just want whatever colors you can get. Yeah, let's smack this wood in half and get some stuff. Oh, goodness me. Oh, no, I wanted my axe. Oh, no! Help me! Ah! Freaking hell, I'm drowning. Man. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Wow. One, two, three. So, another few. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful paper. It's beautiful. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Okay. This is looking nice. Yeah, this is not what it's gonna be, just saying. I'm gonna do this. Dink, 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 dink. Just for different patterns and stuff, because otherwise it looks quite lame. And you don't want lame stuff. Okay. Yeah, this looks nice. Yeah! Yeah! I'm sorry. Blah, 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 blah. Just say I'm Crazy Frog. Blah, 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 blah. I am a great singer. Because apparently, Crazy Frog sings great. Oh, if you didn't know, I hate Crazy Frog. It's like my mortal enemy. Mortal Wombat. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. What? Okay, this is, interesting. Blah, 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 blah. Start singing the Imagine Dragons all of a sudden. But in my, like, mind sing. Mind sing. I'm mind singing. Okay. Every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, God, no, that's not space. Come on. Oh, freaking hell. I died. Oh my God, I died, and that was my fault. Wow, wow. Laughs. Ha, ha. That was hilarious, literally. I'm probably gonna get so many comments saying, noob suck. Liquor. I am a noob. I just noticed I had to do this. Yeah. I hear witches and skeletons. Well, that's making sense. And that is the meaning to life, if you did not know. This is taking a while, as you can see. My stupid mouse is freaking appearing on my screen again. Ooh, an apple. Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, apple, cool. I want an anvil so I can rename it the God Lover of Nipple Twisting. I don't know what kind of name that is, but it's a great invention, and it's gonna stay that way. I've got over 64 pieces of wood right here, so it's cool. Is there a cow down there? No, I'm too busy mining wood. Mining? Oh, well. We are. Okay. I need to stop saying okay. Never gonna eat your nips. No. Stop. No. What am I doing? No. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Why don't I talk anymore? That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah! Wee! Okay. Making my way downtown. I love that song. I've got some sort of obsession with her. It's really strange. What? Where does this go? Where does it go? Oh, here. Wow. Bye. Oh. Yum. So it's one. What the hell? One, 2, 3, 4. So here. Now let's just make it here. I need a drink. Okay, I need a drink, and I don't want to drink. I'm underwater. I'm gonna drown or something. Like, this is not healthy for me, just saying. Is there a zombie above me? There is. Pythons. That's their name tag. I was like, someone join me. Did someone join me? Or am I still alone? Okay. See, these are the skills right here. Squid eye. Where is this gonna end? The hell? Yay, finally! And now I've got 15 more to use. Yeah. Also, if you do come on my server, please do not destroy anything. Because that would suck. And then I'll be sad. Go get it? Yeah. Okay. Alrighties. No. Oh, little weasels. It's the Susie. You gotta love the Susie. She's adorable. She's sad. Her boyfriend died. I mean, if your boyfriend or girlfriend died, would you be sad? I sure would. And she's yawning right now. See, whenever you yawn, that means you're sad, depressed, lonely. Never to be known again. I'm like pole dancing, but flying like an elevator. Breathe! Oh my god, that's too many zombies. Hi, zombie. Can I be your friend? Can I be your friend, zombie? Zombie, can I be your friend? Zombie. Ah! Just kidding. Of course I want you in the water. So I can leave you to drown and die. Oh god, there's a skeleton. Ah! Okay, how much wood do I have? 2. That's definitely gonna save everything. Oh wow. It's like the epic battle. Ah! Where'd you come from? Go away. Okay, good night. Oh, you. No one likes you. Ah! Why would you leave me like that? You left me hanging, bro. You left me hanging. Don't notice me, senpai. Or I will kill you. For noticing me. Ding 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 ding. Oh, I got a bow! got a bow. Let's shoot something. Oh, I shot it. Oh. What to shoot? What to shoot? I don't know. I'll shoot you. Hoo-yah! Take aim. Fire at the chicken. Fire at the chicken. Fire at the zombie. Quick, while there's no zombies. Dream, dream, dream. Oh god, that was close. Ah, you shall die. And never live again. Okay. Oh crap, there's a skeleton. How many bones? Okay. I should probably get a dog then. Ah! Go away, go away. Oh god, why do I keep left clicking? There's a doggy? Do you want to be my friend? Okay, you are. Hi, go die in a hole. Yeah, you can finish him. Okay, test the bow. The bow is being tested. Fire. Fire. Fire a second time. Well, stop moving. Can't kill you when you're moving. Good boy. Okay, let's go. I need wood. I need wood. We need wood. We need wood, doggy. You are my only friend. I've never had any dogs before. Lies. Okay. Okay. Don't hurt me. I love you. Oh. Oh. Enderman. What? Whoa, frick. Oh god, I saw the Enderman walk. Run. Teleport. I don't know what he's doing. Okay. I've got a full inventory, yeah. Yeah. It's all trues. It's all trues. It's all true. It's all true. It's all true. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Is everything gone? Kapow. Right in my nostril face. Right in my nostril face. Take that. Actually, why don't I make you explode? There we go! Up and down. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna do this for now. Oh god, there's dogs everywhere. You know what's sad? When you make them fight their own family. Like, you know how they all have a pack? Every dog? So there's more than one dog? Oh god, don't. Don't look at the Enderman because, they hate you for that. And I want everyone to love me. I love you. Oh, you love me. We're a happy family. Why do I sound like Barney whenever I say that? I want everyone to love me. Because I am Barney. Did you know that? I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. Oh, I got it. Cool. Is that it? Don't hate me. Shiz, don't look at me, Ben. Why'd I call you Ben? Don't know. Crap, don't look at me if you don't want me to look at you. I'm leaving, you're creepy. I'm sorry, don't hurt me. I want all this. want it all. Because I probably only have one more left. Let's go down here. I love my house already. It's beautiful. Okay. 29. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. Actually, yeah, let's just do this. Oh, this is very tense. Like, look how tense this is. Okay, I got about 64 fences, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be enough for what I'm doing. Oh wait, no, it's not. Oh god, I'm sad now. I've cleared almost the entire forest. Never mind. Okay. Whee! I can't see it. Freeze. Freeze. I like how this defines. Yes, my dog is trying to drown himself now. What is the world coming to? I don't know, an end. Yeah, okay. America. Hello, dog. Are you gonna be all black now because you've been in the pool? Pool. Wait, let's see. You're not black. I want you to be black. Because otherwise, you're not beautiful. Get in there. Come. Oh, you're beautiful now. I'm sorry. Bye. Okay, cool. Why did you do that to me, game? What the freak? Jesus Christ, let me breathe. Endless oxygen supply. Mode activated. I should make that an actual mode on Minecraft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm finished. I'm actually finished. Never thought I would actually finish. Okay. Are you proud of me, Doc? Are you proud of me? Okay. Why am I saying okay? I love to say the word okay. Why does my dog die every time I go in? What the hell? Okay then, let's just say I collected that. How's this generated so weirdly? I love weird generations. Sometimes they're creepy, sometimes they're beautiful, sometimes they're amazing, sometimes they're weird. You never know what you come across. Unless you're, really smart. Not like me. Okay. Go. No. Got this. Okie dokie. Don't know. Okay, that's 3 times 3. So 9 blocks. Math. Math for the day. Don't need to go to school now. Okay. Yay! Okay. Okay. Oh no. No, don't want to come? Okay, fine, you can stay down there. No, don't. Oh, yeah, you came. I love you forever. I will love you forever. That sounds extremely creepy, and I don't want that to happen to me. I don't want to be loved. What? I want to be loved. Whoa. Breathe. Take a deep breath. And think about what you're doing, mate. Being racist to my own race. That's sad. You know what us Australians hate? When people do a bad impression of us. Well, I do. Can you wiggle your ears? I can. Just trying to get rid of time while I'm doing this. Actually, crap. How long do I have to end the video? Okay, well that's gonna have to do for this video. I just have a look. I was like, oh my god, no, not another video that's like 15 minutes over. Anyway, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment, subscribe. Don't forget, if you know any games you think I should play, then comment down below in the comment section what you think I should play. Also, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya!